At Tooling U-SME, our purpose is to empower. Empowering manufacturers with resources and expertise to be more productive and more prepared. Empowering individuals with competency and confidence. Empowering the workforce with real-world skills to fulfill real-world needs. Empowering educators and workforce development organizations with tools that engage and enable. We're built to connect people with opportunities, organizations with talent, and the present with the remarkable future ahead. From proven online classes that prepare for the now, to smart manufacturing classes that prepare for what's to come, to immersive learning labs that envelop and captivate, we believe in the power of education to take you from wherever you are to the next level with the strength of all things SME. In more than 2/3 of the world's top manufacturers, thousands of businesses, schools, and workforce development agencies working with us, we bring you the knowledge, the tools, the expertise to move manufacturing forward.